Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this very short video, I'll try to explain what is IS in the collector current. Now we know the current flow in an NPN transistor. It looks like this. The electron current is flowing, and these are the holes. Not go into the details, but the general equation we know that the current IE, this current or the electron flow IE is equal to IC, and sum of it goes to the B, so it is IB. So IE is IC plus IB. Now the question is what? Okay, now in most of the books, the collector current has been defined as IS e raised to the power VT. This is correct. There is nothing wrong. And I saturation or IS has been written by this. And this has been explained, but it is very, very difficult to follow really, at least for me. So the question in my mind always kept bothering, how did they get this equation? And some of the explanations about this IS that I got is, it is the reverse saturation current in the collector base junction originated by the diffusion of minority carriers from the neutral region to the depletion region. I could not really understand. Then it is very dependent from specific parameters of junction itself, such as donor and acceptor concentration, the diffusion coefficient of holes and electrons, the cross-sectional area, etc. Here also I was not very clear. Then it said it is exponentially dependent on the temperature. As a general rule, it doubles every 10 degrees centigrade and independent of VCB. And then this was written. I was still confused. So I found an answer that satisfied me. It is from Mr. Razavi's book, Fundamental of Microelectronics. And based on his writings, I conclude that the collector current IC depends on the area of the base emitter junction AE. This is the base emitter junction area. Doping concentration in the base. Then electron diffusion constant. Now I will not go into the details. You can read from the books. Not required really. Then the intrinsic carrier concentration. And finally, on the exponential of VBE, that is voltage between base and emitter, divided by VT, that is the thermal voltage. So we can write that IC is all these terms that we discussed here, and multiplied by EVB VT minus 1. And then he says that if we write this term or this term as IS, or call it IS, then our equation will simplify, and then the collector current IC can be written in this form. Now this is quite large as compared to 1, so in most cases this can be further simplified as IC is equal to IS e raised to the power VBE over VT. So this is the equation that is generally followed. Now I have a reservation about if calling IS is called the saturation current, because I think this is slightly confusing. So it is better to call it scaled current, because this thing, this has the scaling value. The moment the temperature rises, IS varies tremendously, and so this has an scaling effect. So therefore it is better to call it scale current. So I hope this satisfies some of the curious minds. Thank you.